Financial literacy is not a hard concept to grasp, and it is likely that you do know what to do to properly manage your finances. However, you might not know how to go about it, or you might not understand what the terms might mean. In this video, I will explain the basics of personal finance and some commonly used terms. Hey everyone, and welcome to A World Better Life, where we discuss everything personal finance and personal development. In this video, we will discuss the difference between saving and investing, as well as the benefits of both budgeting and passive income. Okay, firstly, we are going to start with passive and active income. There are two different types of income or income you can earn: passive income and active income. Active income is the most popular way to earn money. However, it's important to note that it's not the easiest way to earn money. However, it is the easiest way to get started with earning money. With active income, you trade your time for money, and you might work a 9 to 5 to receive a salary at the end of the month or a wage at the end of the week, or you might be a freelancer or own your own business where you are the employer and the employee. People who want to achieve financial freedom quicker or just in general usually do not make their millions and billions from active income because hours in a day are limited. They usually make passive income, which is income that requires little to no effort to earn or maintain. Passive income could be dividends or rental income or rentals. I would say earning income is the step that most people stop at when it comes to finances. They just spend the money and waste that money. Budgeting. When you earn your money, it's important to manage it well. Check what your expenses are and whether your income can support it. You should always live within or below your means, never above your means. This means if you earn $1,000 a month, you should spend $1,000 or less and not $1,200. Budgeting is not just planning on what you'll spend your money on, but also tracking your spending and using your budget as guidance. Whenever you have to make a big spending decision, your budget will prevent you from making impulse buys that you might regret later. Most people's budgets have one source of income and then thousands expenses with not much money spent or put aside for investing. It is important to try find a way to have more than one source of income. I plan to do a video in the future explaining ways to have multiple streams of income, so subscribe for that. Saving. Budgeting will assist with saving. Most people do not save because they do not see the purpose or lack the discipline to do so. I remember I would save money, and then as soon as an expense came up that wasn't even that important, I would spend my savings. I was treating my savings as leftover money, which is the wrong mindset and shows a lack of discipline. It's important to save for rainy days, as you do not want to take unnecessary loans. You could also save for big purchases, or you could save for future investments. There is the notion that saving is useless and investing is the best thing you could do, which is not true because any investment is risky. And sometimes you might be in a rush to make an investment to avoid having cash that you might make bad investments. Saving is usually for the short term. If you are saving up for something specific, or it can be long term, such as for retirement or emergencies you never know could happen. Investing. Like I said, investing is for the long term. As much as saving is great, saving is not enough. No one ever got rich from saving because inflation exists, unless your savings are earning you an interest. Nonetheless, most investments have a higher return than savings. The stock market has about a 7% return. The return in real estate fluctuates, but one thing that's for sure is investment in real estate is a good investment. Investing also gives you the opportunity to make passive income, and I recently did a video on how to make passive income, so go watch that if you haven't. Investing is usually long term and it will not make you rich overnight. That is my basic guide to finance. Of course, I do not go in depth in this video. However, I feel like personal finance tends to get a bit overwhelming. So this is a great beginner video and it's low-key common sense in a way. You can search for videos on each of these points, and I also plan to do a video going in depth on each of these points. Thank you for watching. If this made your life a bit better, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more personal finance and development videos.